How you doing? This is Eric LaFerriere at the 2022 PRI show, and we're here at the Taycan Industries booth featuring Taycan Titanium Innovations products. We're here with White Race this year, the X275 car that we run. It's a 2JZ motor, features a billet block, stock cast head, and of course a precision turbo. For X275 competition, we use a next-gen 88mm turbo, and for all-out competition for a quarter-mile racing, like MIR World Cup, we use a 110mm turbo from Precision Turbo, and that gets us plenty of power to get the job done. It's an intercooled setup that runs on methanol. It's only 190 cubic inches, so it's a pretty awesome little power plant. We run a turbo 400 3-speed transmission, lockup converter, runs on a 275 radial. It's back in 2019, we were at World Cup and we ran 639 at 227 miles an hour with a Precision 102 turbo. And at that point in time, and I think currently, we're the world's fastest radial import car. So we're pretty proud of that. In X275 trim, we've been 419 at 178. Our season got cut short last year in July. We had a bad crash, and it's taken us about a year to rebuild a brand new car. So we're very excited to be back out racing with the X275 class. Most of all, we'd like to thank our sponsors. We have Precision Turbo on board for the turbocharger department. We've got Taycan Innovations on board, Powerhouse Racing, Duy Bui, Lindell Healthcare, biggest supporter of our program. M&M Transmissions, and the rest of the guys that are on the team, everybody helps out.